Good morning, guys. So it is currently 8:30. I woke up at 8, but my phone was acting up, so I couldn't really start filming then. But today I'm going to bring you along on my morning routine. And since I started a new job at the start of the week, I've kind of been trying to get into a routine, and now I'm more like able to have a routine. I either start work at 9:30, and on them days I will get up either at 7 or 7:30. The other days I start work at 12. So today is one of those days. So I got up at 8 today since I'm not starting work until 12. So far I've only really done a little bit of journaling on my iPad. Yeah, so I will just keep going with my routine, and I'll just bring you along with me. This is the first time I've tried this YouTube channel for yoga, and honestly I love it, so I'm going to link her down below. Honestly, her voice is just like so soothing, and she gives a few like affirmations just to, you know, finish the yoga off with. I'll link her down below. She's great, honestly. I think I'm gonna get some breakfast now. I think I'll make an avocado toast. I had an avocado toast yesterday, so I have a half an avocado left, so I might do that. The cat just left. The door didn't just open by itself. The cat left the room. I just had my breakfast, and there are definitely two things I am trying to get better at. One of them is drinking water. I am shocking at drinking water. Like, boyfriend is literally concerned about the amounts of water I drink. I just don't. It'll be 10 p.m. and I'll be like, oh, I feel a little bit sick for some reason. And And then he's like, did you drink water today at all? And I'm just like, no. So definitely something I need to get better at. And another thing is taking vitamins. I've actually been pretty good at taking my vitamins for the last like 2 weeks or something, so we're doing great with that. The water definitely has to be worked on. I bring my hydro flask to work, so I try to get through that at least while I'm at work, but that is definitely not enough water, so I have to improve. So I'm just gonna take my little multivitamin. I've been trying, before this, I was trying to take like separate vitamins and like supplements, and it just wasn't working. I think it's because it was so many like pills to swallow, and I'm not like bad at swallowing pills. It's just too much, and then it makes me feel sick because I've just like downed so much like liquid to try and get like all these vitamins down. So anyways, just gonna pop a multivitamin. So I think I'll get started on my makeup. I think I'll bring you along with me because it's the same makeup I've done in my previous video. I do the same thing every day. I might have a bit more eyeshadow on today than usually because I wear a little bit more makeup to work, but it's basically the same thing. So nothing really interesting, but if you want a more detailed makeup routine, by all means, just let me know in the comments and I'll walk you through everything that I do. So yeah, I'll be back when I do my makeup. So this is the makeup. It's a lot more than I would wear on my day off. But just like foundation, concealer, contour. Oh, I forgot my blush. It's just such a pretty shade of blush. Actually, in case you're wondering, what actually is it? I think it's called Captivating. I think, I'm not sure, but definitely gonna be repurchasing this when I run out. I just think it gives your face such a nice healthy pop of color. So this is my makeup all complete. I need to figure out my hair for work. I think I'll wear it in a ponytail today, and then I need to choose an outfit for work. I think that will complete my morning routine, so I'll bring you along while I curl my hair because why not? And then we're gonna choose an outfit. Right, so this was me very badly curling my hair. I did a better job yesterday because I actually sectioned it off and stuff. I actually just have hair gel in my hand, so I'm just gonna use that to slick my hair back. I'm just slicking my hair back. It's no specific like hair gel, I just bought a random one off of Beauty Bay. Because I don't really know what's good. Like, I'm not great with hair. Something I just need to get better at. Or I need to get one of those proper like brushes, like my hair back nicely, because this is my go-to hairstyle on like day 2 hair. My hair gets so greasy so fast. This is it. This is the hairstyle. I usually go for straight hair when I slick my hair back, but since it was curled yesterday, I didn't want to go doing the opposite. Actually, also, if I have my outfit chosen early, sometimes I have it chosen the day before, I'll put it on before I do my hair and makeup, obviously not to get makeup on my clothes, and not to ruin my makeup. So don't mind the mess in the background, I should have said that ages ago, but it only took me 15 minutes to choose an outfit today. So I'm wearing this little sweater dress from H&M and this little like collar. Like how cute it is, so cute, from Amazon. I'm wearing shorts underneath this because this is a bit too short for work. Like, I'd preferably be wearing a longer dress for work. But yeah, little tights, and I'm gonna be wearing it with these boots. This is the outfit for today. I think it's really cute. So thank you for joining me on my morning routine. I will be basically getting ready to go to work now. I'm just gathering my water bottle, and I need to read over my contract and sign it because I just started a new job, so I'm going to do that. But this is basically what I do every morning, obviously depending on what time I wake up and like what I decide to do that morning, but for the most part this is what I do. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed it. I tried my best to make it as interesting as possible. I was kind of generally showing you my boring day-to-day routine, but I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I would appreciate that so much. And yeah, let me know what you thought about it in the comments down below, and I will see you next week with a new video. Bye.